Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing, and today we're gonna be unboxing, as the title says, the Nothing Phone 2. It's finally here, and I have it right here with me. Let me tell you, there's a story attached to me getting this today. I got a message early in the morning, 5:45 a.m. or so, that I can expect the delivery of my phone today. So I was patiently waiting outside my building because the intercom of my building was not working, and I did not want to miss the delivery, and I did not want any hassle that the delivery person could not get in touch with me, so I was camping outside my building from 6 a.m. till 8:30 a.m. And around that time, 8:30 a.m. ish, I got a message saying that the delivery could not happen because no one was at home. And I tried calling the shipping company to ask what had happened because I was outside waiting for the delivery to happen, and I did not move. So if the delivery person did come in, I would have the parcel with me. So I tried to explain all that. They wanted some verification, so they asked me the shipping address. I told them my address, and the shipping company tells me that the address on the package is not that one. The suburb is wrong. So they asked me to verify the suburb again, and I did. And they told me, no, that is not the suburb that we have on the package. So they asked me to get in touch with the sender, and I tried calling the Nothing customer support, and they confirmed that the address is correct, and Nothing customer support checked on my behalf with the shipping company, and all the information that the Nothing customer support were able to get was there's no one at home, that's why we couldn't deliver, and there is no other issues about the suburb being wrong. So I got very much confused, and the Nothing customer support told me to reach out to the shipping company once again, and I did, and explained them everything, and they were kind enough to call the driver and then ask them to go and deliver the parcel again. So I got this now, and I'm really happy that I did not have to wait an additional day. So let's get right into it and unbox this. You know, the one thing that I'm most excited about? They told me that, the Nothing website, when I ordered this, it told me that there's gonna be a gift. I wonder what the gift is. I have a Nothing Phone 2 inside of this. I have the Nothing Ear 2, and I have the Nothing Phone 2 case. So let's see what the gift could be. I really hope it's the Nothing beer. Maybe this is the gift. There is a Nothing cap. Nothing branded cap. Someone in Twitter did tell me that it could be a t-shirt or a cap, and I told him maybe it's not a t-shirt because you cannot get the correct sizing of everyone, but the cap, one size fits most. So I think this is the gift. Let's check what else we have. Everything is right here, bubble wrapped and everything, nothing else inside, so let's get into it. Here we have the Nothing Ear 2. There's the Nothing branding, and there's the Ear 2, as you can see right here as well. Packaging is nice. Maybe let's unbox this first. Nothing Ear 2. I really like this. Woo. That's so nice. You're presented with a QR code for the Nothing app. Let's take that out. Here is the Nothing Ear 2, but let me put this aside for now. Let's see what's here. Maybe just paperwork. We have the user guide. We also have the safety information, and that's basically it. So let's get into it. Let's take it out. And there you have ear tips as well, which are inside here. So small and large are inside here. Medium, I think it comes applied. And there you have a Type-C cable here. So this is the Type-C cable that you get. It looks braided. So USB-C to USB-C. And although it looks braided, it has some sort of a wax cover. That's the cable. And this is the star of the show. Well, one of the star of the show. So Nothing Ear 2 in the black colorway. There you have it. The black colorway Nothing Ear 2. It looks so nice and so sleek. Man, it looks amazing. This is my first time taking a look at the Nothing Ear 2. Yes, I've seen it online, but ooh, look at this. there you have it. It's pretty good. I'll pair this up with the Nothing Phone 2 in a while. Oh, I noticed this just now. There's some kind of indentation here. Not sure what the purpose for that is, but yeah, it's there. As I said, I'll pair this up with the Nothing Phone 2 in a while. So let's continue to the bubble wrap and take some of the other products out. Here I have the Nothing Phone 2 screen protector. Not sure how good this is gonna be. I have heard that the phone already comes with a pre-applied screen protector, but we all know that pre-applied screen protector, they don't feel good. They're not, you know, like they do not add any sort of protection. So I don't think I need to unbox this. This is the other thing that I got. This is the screen protector. I'm not going to be applying it now. The other thing that I got was the Nothing Phone 2 case. I already made a video about the Nothing Phone 1 case and I did not like that case. Hopefully Nothing has added maybe some sort of chemicals or something to prolong the case from going yellow, because my experience with the Nothing Phone 1 case, the official case, it went yellow pretty fast. Hopefully that's not the case with the Nothing Phone 2. But yeah, let's unbox this as well. Okay, it literally feels like the Nothing Phone 1 case. It's a transparent case. Obviously you want to admire the aesthetic and how the Nothing Phone 2 looks. So this case can help you do that, but it literally looks like the Nothing Phone 1 case, just a tad bit taller. Yeah, it looks brand new because it is, and it doesn't look yellow, but give it a couple of weeks and it's gonna turn into yellow. But I hope that they've done something to avoid that, or at least extend it from happening. Let's get into the main star of the show. There's also something here, which I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a sticker. Let me check. When I got the delivery of the Nothing Phone 1, when I pre-ordered it similar to how I did the Nothing Phone 2, I only got the Nothing Phone 2 and obviously the screen protector and the case that I ordered. I'm gonna link the video of me unboxing the Nothing Phone 1 up top so that you can watch that as well. Oh look, they added a sticker. It says nothing. I'm gonna put this on my laptop. Okay, so the only thing left is the Nothing Phone 2 unboxing. This box, let me tell you, this box feels heavier than the Nothing Phone 1 did when it arrived last year. So I can already feel that this is something that's gonna be good. Definitely a step up. So let's unbox this. And let me tell you, this is the Nothing Phone 2 in the dark gray, and it has 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. This is gonna be my new daily phone. So let's take this out. That did not go very well. It was supposed to go all the way. Let's try it again. Whew. Nice. This comes off. Now, previously, when the top part came off, phone used to be in one of the slots and the paperwork used to be in one of the slots, but this is kind of different experience. It's kind of like a book. You take it out slowly, and the texture here, if you can see, it's a really good texture. It's very nice and sleek. I really like this. And this opens up like a book. So if you do this, it opens up like a book. And there you have your Nothing Phone 2. You have your transparent SIM and paperwork and cable. So let me take the phone out for now. Ooh, the phone kind of feels hefty. So I'm putting the phone aside. When we take this off, we are presented with the cable, and let me show you the cable. This is an interesting cable because Nothing posted this on Twitter and Instagram. If you look closely enough here, it has a Nothing branding and it's transparent, so you can see the USB-C properly on both the sides. So this is quite an interesting USB-C cable. There is the Nothing SIM ejector tool, which is pretty unique as well, transparent. And basically you get your traditional papers. That's basically it. Let's jump into the Phone 2, which is right here. And as you can see here, it says Earth First. Phone 2 has 53 parts made with sustainable materials. Its packaging is plastic free. That's pretty good. So let's take it out of this wrapper. They've glued it quite well. They're gonna make it very hard for me. Oh my god. I'm really scared to touch the phone because of fingerprints, but have to do what we have to do. There you have it. This is the Nothing Phone 2. You can look at the back and you'll be able to tell the difference. I have the Nothing Phone 1 with me. Let me give it a quick wipe down. So there you go. Nothing Phone 1 and Nothing Phone 2. This left one right here obviously is the Nothing Phone 1, and this is the Nothing Phone 2. You can see the color difference. The other difference that you can see is the layout of the cliff lights. And also, if you go to the front, the camera positioning is also different between the phones. The Nothing Phone 1 has it on the corner, and then the Nothing Phone 2 has it on the center, if you can see. Yeah. I can also notice that the Nothing Phone 2 camera has a slight bump compared to the Nothing Phone 1. Not sure if you can see that, but slight bump. Let's see if we can notice anything else. The SIM tray, microphone, USB-C, and the speaker are all the same, but I can see the speaker. So Nothing Phone 2 right here, look at the speaker, count it, and look at the Nothing Phone 1 speaker, count it. There's one more, so I think that's another difference. Anything on the top? No. The microphone hole now is in the antenna itself on the Nothing Phone 2. In the Nothing Phone 1, it was on the side of the antenna. Volume buttons, they look the same. Power button, they look the same. The other thing that I can notice is that there is a curved glass on the back of Nothing Phone 2. The Nothing Phone 1 was flat, so holding the phone, Nothing Phone 2 kind of feels a bit more comfortable, less pokey on the palm of my hands, if that makes sense. Powering on the Nothing Phone 2 for the first time. What I might do is I might take the SIM out from my Nothing Phone 1 and put it on the Nothing Phone 2. Let's do that now. Let's do it with the Nothing SIM tool. By the way, it's actually asking me to start the setup, but let's move the SIM. This is the Nothing Phone 1, as you can see. I'm gonna take the SIM card out of the Nothing Phone 1. Okay, empty. I have the SIM right here. Let's take the Nothing Phone 2, take the SIM tray out, put the SIM in, grab the Nothing Phone 2 again, put the SIM inside, and then press it. Now my SIM card is officially in the Nothing Phone 2. It's trying to get the reception now. If it focuses. Yep, 5G. I got it right there. 3G. H+. Let me set this up offline, and then after a week or two, I might come back with a review video. But thank you for watching this unboxing video. I'm gonna connect now the Nothing Ear 2 with the Nothing Phone 2 as well. It's gonna be good. I'm really excited to use this and daily drive this and experience how evolved Nothing has been after getting their first Phone 1 out. Let's see. I'll see you next time. Peace.